Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Zaman here again doing the another review video. Today is about the Fast List Now. So Fast List Now is going to be launched tomorrow on May 9th. Okay, so basically, in nutshell, the Fast List, inside the Fast List video training, you will discover how you can build up your email list. Okay, you will find out the 10 different methods to build up your email list and how you can add the 1,000 subscribers per month while using these methods. Okay, so you can earn while you learn. Okay, so if this sound is something interested to you, then just stick with me, because first I will show you the custom made bonuses which I have especially arranged for you. Okay, so this is a free, completely free bonuses. Okay, I'll show you my bonuses, then I'll take you to the members area, so where I will just show you the training, all the training steps, what the training is included, what are the 10 steps. Okay, and then I'll take you to the sales page and we'll just talk about the price, front end price for the fast list now. Okay, so then let's go to my bonus list first. So okay, well, those are taking the fast list now via my link, which I have given below in the YouTube description. Then I will give them a free bonuses. It's completely free bonuses. Okay, so which is the bonus number one is $427, $28, which is access Gemini and all OTOs. So what is Gemini? Gemini is the software which was created, I think it's launched by the Jono Armstrong, was for the last year. I'm not sure about the timings. Okay, so what's a Gemini? Gemini basically will help you to explode your list, profit faster than ever with Jono's copy paste unstoppable traffic methods. Okay, so it will just take you to the 30-second setup for unlimited traffic on tap. Okay, so this is the first page. So the Gemini training itself is a skyrocket to new list 2,000 plus profitable subscriber faster than ever before. So the basically the Gemini will help you to about the traffic. Okay, so, and then the what is rinse and repeat flood of targeted subscribers, Gemini's unstoppable traffic method, which leverage simple images ad placed on the biggest ads network in the universe. Okay, so these are, it is basically set and forget traffic, is all about the traffic. So with the Gemini, so as in my bonus is also giving Gemini plus all its OTOs. Okay, so in the OTO number one, which is for the Gemini Pro members area, so then you will see inside this kind of training, which on your left hand side, this is the first welcome to Gemini Pro. This is a video is done by the John Armstrong, which where he talks about what's the Gemini, how it works, the overview. Okay, and then you will see here inside the software, he will talks about the overview, squeeze pages, autoresponders, email toolkit, and then the training tab, finding an offer, how to creating your squeeze page, email marketing using urgency, and traffic, Bing ads, solo ads, and upgrades. Okay, so then by itself, this bonus number one, it is very powerful and amazing deals. Okay, and bonus number two, which is those are taking the fast list now with my link, which is given here below in the YouTube description, they will get the bonus page builder. So bonus page builder is the another training which is done by the Jono Armstrong. So it's a step-by-step training in where in the Jono just talks about how he built the bonus pages when he just started in the beginnings. Okay, so how he get built the bonus, how he created the bonus, these all things. Bonus number three, which is for $345, a fast list now. This is the how to boost your SEO. And bonus number four, the access insurgency. Insurgency is another the software and video training which is done by the Jono Armstrong. let me show you how it looks like. So this is insurgency. So insurgency, this is here, you can see this. Basically this insurgency is all about the Facebook traffic. Okay, so inside this training, as you can see here, there is insurgency training, the step by step, and upgrades. Okay, and plus you will get this extra access special bonuses when you will click here. Okay, so this was my bonus number 4, and the bonus number 5, which is fast list now. Special bonuses, take action today. You will get all vendor bonuses. So vendor bonuses, I will take you to the members area, and there I will show you the um, the vendor bonuses. Okay, so these all the amazing bonuses custom made, which are very good deal, are wonderful, is available for those are taking fast list now with my link, which is I've given here below in the YouTube description. Okay, so now let's go to, I want to take you to the members area for the fast list. Okay, so this is the members area here. As you can see here, there is a welcome from Dawud Islam. He just giving the welcome, and he just asked, mentioning to register for, if you want to register for your 100K per month free training. This is basically 1 to 2 hour free training. Okay, step by step. And then Elite Tiger Group's YouTube channel and Elite Tiger Facebook group, just click here, and this is the another partner, Oscar solo YouTube channel. Then just click here, and then here you will see the overview of the fast list, and this is the main training section. So here he's giving the introduction to the training, and this is the method number 1, 2. So in each these methods are, he has given lots of good information. Okay, and he explained very nicely step by step, and basically this training is very good for the, those are the new affiliated, those are just coming to in this field, in the marketing fields. Okay, and he has explained the very great method. So by using those method, um, we can elaborate or increase our email list as well as the subscribers also. Okay, so again, the resources here, this is a brown beer bargain free squeeze pages he has given. So if you'll click here, the brown beer bargain, access your brown beer bargains here. When you will click here, then again it will take you to the another this is another training. Okay, and all the step by step all is have given here. So, and then here's the conclusion, and again bonuses. Okay, how to access your fast list now bonuses, I will just show you there. Then here upgrade, so we will talk about what are the upgrades are here which you can get unadvertised bonuses. Here are some further more bonuses from Mike main and from Agona Advana bonuses. Okay, again this is the fast list. Itself is a very good training. Now let's go to the see what it is basically in little bit more detail, what is fast list now is all about. So fast list is now, if you want to make fast cash while you build your list, discover 10 fast ways to build your list and your subscriber. It's going to be launched tomorrow, May 9, and it will be, and this page will come down on May 12th. Okay, so the basically fast list is all about to learn 10 separate list building methods that work in any niche. Add 1,000 subscribers per month and earn value. Learn with each methods works in 2021. So again, the front end price is for $13. Okay, so in $13 you will access the powerful fast list software and training modules. Again guys, this is amazing. In just only $13 you will access all this training. Okay, so these all the members area, no, this whole training. um okay, yeah, where is the main training? Yes, so in $13 you will get access all this training by the Dawud Islam, and plus again in the resources brown beer bargain, if you will click here, this is another steps of training here, and again another more bonuses, okay? Plus, and on top of, I'm giving you the custom made bonuses, which is from my side, which you have a Gemini video training by the Jono Armstrong and Insurgency, which are the very valuables, okay? So it's this whole the fast list for those are the new subscribe, those are the new affiliate in the market. It's a very good deal for them. So again, in the OTO one, which is for $37, but down to $17. So what you will get here, bonus giveaway, right? Give this product and all my previous product away as a bonus to massively increase your affiliate sales and conversion and help you build your list, okay? So it's again in $17. The Dawud Islam, you can give all his product away as a to get earn more your commission and to increase your sales, okay? And then the upsell number two is total traffic fix, which is for $47. So here he said the send 6 times super solo ads to all the members at all 25 of my own membership sites in the in this niche, okay? Make money online. Plus, place your banners permanently on my 25 sites, plus enjoy free VIP upgrades at all the sites. Enjoy massive traffic injection. Again, upsell number three is for reseller ride, which is for $17. Upsell number four, which is for $47 to downsell. Again, just go through with this rate. And upsell number five, okay, so launch a product with doubt. Limited, this is limited to just 5 persons only. This is value is for 1,000, but is downsell to $500, okay? This is an exclusive opportunity to launch a product without. Either choose your own product ideas or have him to create one with you, okay? So basically you will get the full support, the having a doubt in side by side you to having creating your own product, okay? So this is again amazing. All his recent launches have achieved over 250 sales, with some passing over 500 sales and winning deals of the day. Guarantee yourself success and a buyer list that will earn you money for years to come by taking advantage of this unique opportunity. I basically, since I started to doing this review video, this is the first time I'm seeing that the vendor is offering the launch product, okay? So again, this is amazing deal, guys. For a limited time, exclusive offer will also include beta access to tout and new high ticket program, the Elite Academy, launching later this month. Be one of the very first to join, okay? So again, let's go to the sales page. This is the sales page here. Okay, so this are you ready for finally to get the fast results? Okay, so with this fast list now you will 10 times fast method to build a listing, earn while you learn, get thousands of subscribers every month, no technical skills required, work in any niche, and there is a full video training provided and so much more, okay? Again, if you are interested, then you will either click here below the link I have given in the YouTube description. When you will click here, that will bring you to the sales page, and then you will click here, then you will get the access, okay? So again, read this before you just read this before going any further. There all the information is about the Dawud Islam, okay? And then this is the video, this is the members area, which I just already shown you there, the step-by-step training, okay? So there are some income proof which they have earned it, okay? So again, go first in your time, take a time, sit back, read all through, then take it, then decided it if you think this is the right product for you, okay? And this is the bonuses, okay? So I showed you my bonuses, and plus these are the vendor bonuses. So bonus number one, you will be getting 7-figure super affiliate training. Bonus number two, exclusive Facebook group. This is a private Facebook group with free additional training and each and every week, okay? And the bonus number three, this is massive product bundle. Get a huge bundle of over 50 products and upsells from 18 top marketers. And bonus number four is a reseller right to 20 of Dawud's previous product. And the bonus number 5 is a dedicated customer support. Okay, so again guys, at the end you're 100% covered. There's 100% money back guarantee. So if this sounded something interested to you, or you was looking the some product is which is giving you the step-by-step training, okay, then just I think then this is the good deal for you. So here there are the vendor bonuses, and on top of I'm giving you my custom made bonuses, which is amazing and wonderful deal. Okay, so I'm giving the my bonuses only for the person who is picking this training through my link, which I have given here in the YouTube descriptions below. Okay, so again, at the end, I would say that this fast list action, it is a really good training. Okay, so uh, take your time, go through the sales page, go through the again all this video training, and then click the link below and take it your you have 30 days money back guarantee. Okay, and you're 100% covers. So again, thank you so much for watching my review video, and if you like it, then please like it, like button, press the like button, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, and thank you so much, and stay safe. See you next time.